Hi, my name is Kin. I'm an undergrad student at Pomerach, and I just have a quick questions about would you keep the same investing strategy under President Donald Trump's administration, and how would you address that?
Yeah, that's a great question. So actually, the good news with the US is our presidents have very little power. So in the entire history of the United States, we've had a lot of pathetic presidents. We probably had more pathetic presidents than great presidents. Because if you think back yourself, who were the great presidents, you probably might not even get to all the fingers on two hands. And I'm not necessarily convinced President Trump is not going to be a good president. Time will tell. But I would just say that I don't make investment decisions. I don't think I've ever made any investment decision based on who's in office. I think, quite frankly, where Daehan Flour is trading in Korea has nothing to do with who's in power. It has no relevance. Or where Frontline is trading, or any of these other dynamics, it has really got nothing to do with who's in power. And so I've never made investment decisions, and I think it's a stupid idea to make investment decisions based on who's in power. Especially, I think, given our U.S. system of those strong checks and balances. There's natural tendency to inaction unless a lot of parties agree, and we've seen that over 8 years in the Obama administration. We are seeing some of that right now, and some of that is a negative, because sometimes we do need action. But the remarkable thing about the U.S. is that at specific points in time, when everyone needs to come together, like during the financial crisis and different things and stimulus and all that, they magically happen to actually agree and do a few things, which is great. So I would say it's generally a mistake to spend time. And actually, this is one of these kind of peculiar human traits, is that everyone seems to, I think, spend too much time on the nuances of President Trump. It's probably entertaining to spend that time, but quite frankly, that it's not going to help your network.